Do you realize there is something in your kitchen that is needed to soothe that scratchy throat of yours? Let's dive deep into the surprising world of natural cough remedies, guaranteed to make you say goodbye to those very annoying tickles in no time. First off, we have the golden goodness that is honey. Not just for sweetening your tea, folks. A study in the British Medical Journal reported that honey performed better than usual care in ameliorating symptoms of upper respiratory tract infection. That's right, the sticky superhero is cheaper and more effective than some over-the-counter options. But wait, there's more. Enter ginger, our spicy sidekick in this natural remedy squad. Not just there to make your sushi taste good. According to a 2020 study, fresh ginger could really turn our cells on to battle inflammation and keep the viruses from binding into our airways. If that is not a kung fu kick to your cough, then what is? Now, let's spice things up a bit with some thyme. And no, I'm not here wasting time. The use of it in the treatment of upper respiratory tract infection dates to ancient times. These compounds contain the fancy stuff terpenes, thymol, and carvacrol, which have antitussive, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral activities. Otherwise, it's pretty much a natural cough-fighting SWAT team. But here's where it gets wild. Pineapple. Yes, you read that right. This tropical fruit contains bromelain that has been said to suppress coughs and loosen mucus. So next time you're hacking away, just pretend like you were sitting on a beach in Hawaii. Your lungs will thank you. Now know what you're thinking. How do I use all these magical ingredients? Well, fear not. Here's a simple recipe. Mix a tablespoon of honey with some freshly grated ginger in hot water. Add a sprig of thyme and a slice of pineapple. Voila! You've got yourself a tasty, cough-busting concoction. Remember, while these natural remedies can be effective, it's important to see a doctor if your cough persists for more than 3 weeks or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms. We want you healthy, not just entertained. So, there you have it, folks. Nature's very own cough-kicking cocktail. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And hey, if all else fails, at least your kitchen will smell amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more surprising health hacks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep that cough in check.